A lot of people will ask me nutrition and weight gain. How does the two things relate to each other? Well, nutrition and weight gain directly relate to each other because a lot of people, and I've seen in a lot of diets, nobody should be on a diet, or a lot of recipes that they'll say, well, use carrots, use bananas, use lettuce, use spinach. It never tells you to use, or it seldom tells you to use organic food. Put foods without chemicals in your recipes. So how important is nutrition as it relates to weight gain or weight loss? The body cannot process something that is not food. Initially, when you first time you eat these chemicals, the body will flush them out. It'll go right down the toilet. But after a while, your body understands that that's what you want in your system. It doesn't know what to do with it. So it stores it in your fat cells. So all that chemical from this food gets stored in your fat cells and eventually breaks down little by little. And all that antifreeze and all that rocket fluid and all those colorings, additives, bleach, they start bleaching or they start sipping into your system and breaking down your body. That's why you get old when you get to be like 70 years old, 69, 70 years old like I am. You get old because you've been eating junk, and so you got to stay away from that junk and stay away from those chemicals.